Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of underwear. So the first ones I'm going to show you are the private construction underwear. I like the camouflage. I like camouflage in general, and I like that they're red. So I'm gonna take the underwear out and expose the underwear to you guys. Bam. This is the front side, obviously, and then the back. And then it has a little slit here. You can see the white. See? Okay, then I'm going to show you the next pair. Oh my god, that plane's so loud. Oh no, it's a helicopter, never. Next pair. Oh my god, it's raining. I apologize for that. It was only sprinkling. So the next pair of underwear I'm going to show you are the Jor. I definitely like their bags. They're very creative looking. But I'm going to take it out. You can actually use these kind of underwear for swimming as well. So here are the Jor underwear / swimwear. All white with a purple waistband. Totally loving it. And then they got like little holes in the underwear. Probably to let your privates breathe. So the next pair are the third pair of underwear I'm going to show is the PPU underwear. And these are the most sexiest underwear I have ever seen for a man to wear. White waistband, this part's blue, and then it has straps. On both sides of the underwear. These actually show off your hips. These ones are hard to fold. Holy. Okay. The next pair of underwear I'm going to show you are the Picanti underwear. They're called, well, it's called the spicy underwear. And I'm not sure if that's a pepper or an eggplant where the eye is supposed to be in Picanti. But that is a pepper, and then where the T is, it's a man. I'm going to take the underwear out. The waistband is colorful. There's the back of them. And then the front, there's two straps on both sides of the underwear. And then the inside of the underwear, if you were to turn it inside out, is blue. These are really sexy underwear. They expose a lot of you. Kidding. So the next underwear, well, the last underwear I'm going to show you are the Candyman underwear. They're all black. I'm gonna open it to show you guys. On the tag here, it says Candyman. And like I said, they're all black. And then there's like a net on both sides of the underwear, a netting on the hips, on both sides of your hips. They're stretchy. And they feel comfortable, like the material feels so nice on your hand. But it feels different when it's on your body. So that's all the underwear I have to show you. I bought the underwear at mensunderwearstore.com, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.